Hello, and thanks for joining us today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to easily track your luggage using the Delta Airlines app on your Android phone. Tracking your bags can save time and reduce stress during travel, so let's get started. Open the Fly Delta app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Track My Bags. This will take you to the bag tracking section. Next, tap on Search By to choose how you want to find your bag. You can select either Bag Tag or File Reference. If you have the bag tag available, you can also scan it directly using your phone's camera for faster input. Enter your last name exactly as it appears on your booking. Then tap the Search button to see the current status of your luggage. That's how you can quickly track your bags using the Delta Airlines app on Android. We hope this makes your travel experience smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful travel tips.